we go.
Hey everybody, and welcome to another Carolina Autos video. I'm Eric, and today we are going to fix this. You can't hear the car. So as you can tell by the title, we are putting an AKE exhaust on the car today. I'm paying somebody to install it, so hopefully, I brought my GoPro along. Hopefully they'll use it to record the footage of them installing it, or we'll figure something else out. But if not, we'll just run through kind of what the steps are. It looked pretty simple from the website, at least. Pretty much unbolt everything from the cat back and rebolt all the new exhaust in. It came fully cat back, so right after the downpipe all the way back. New resonator, new muffler, and new valves. So everything should work out pretty good, but I'll record some of the sound of the car while I'm driving over there, and some of the sound of the car while I'm driving back, and then I'll go do a comparison between the old exhaust and the new exhaust from my first video I did with the car. So that's what's in store for this video, and thank you guys for watching and keeping up with the new Supra build. I know not too many people are doing the 4-cylinder Supra build, so I thought it might be interesting just to kind of keep up with it. This is probably about all I'm going to do to the car for the next little bit. I'm kind of on the fence about doing a downpipe and a tune and all that. Might just drive it for a little while and leave it alone. It's my daily, so I don't need to do anything too fancy to it. If I can afford one, I'd love to get a 3.0 manual, but we're gonna have to kind of wait and see what the prices are. If they put a big markup on those things, they'll kind of be close to the price of a 911, and I'd rather just have a 911. So we'll see what happens. So here you guys go. You can kind of tell if I get on it here. I mean, do we have some exhaust sound? Yeah. Especially in the car. I'm not sure how much of that is piped in. But if we crack the window here, so you can hear the exhaust a little better. It's just really quiet. Even if I click it over to sport mode, it's a little louder. It's got a valve in it. It's just super quiet. So we'll do a quick couple of pulls once I get the exhaust on, so you guys can tell the difference directly. So here we are pulling in. I decided to bring the car down to Eurofed to get the exhaust in. We got a lot of people here today. So here we are. So we're going to check out Eurofed and see how well they're going to do with the exhaust here. All right, guys, got the exhaust installed. Moment of truth here. Let's see how this thing sounds. Oh, much better. And that is in normal mode. And sport mode, much better. There we go. Okay, I'll get some footage while we're driving up and down Old Pineville Road here on the way back home, just so you guys can hear it. All right, guys, coming down Old Pineville. The exhaust is in normal mode. Much better sound from the Supra. Much better sound. Put it in sport mode. Get a lot more crackles and pops on the overrun. Very happy with that. That was an expensive exhaust. Here, let me turn the camera around. So yeah, so that was an expensive exhaust. $1,800, I think, for the exhaust. They charged me $250 to install it, which is not too bad for not having to lift a finger, I guess. They said it all went together very easily. They weren't able to get much footage because my GoPro apparently messed up on them. But I took a good video under the car while it was up on a lift, so you can see all the clamps and everything. They said it was super bolt in. It does come really close to one of the cross members, so I'm going to be listening for any vibrations or rattles so far. I'm not hearing anything really at all, so I think we should be pretty good, but it sounds so much better now and looks a lot better. As you guys can see, I did a walk around of the outside, so money well spent. Got me where I wanted to be on the noise level. It's not too loud. Put the windows up, it's fine. So yeah, I'm happy all around, and thanks to you guys for tuning in for another video, and we'll catch you in the next one.